Welcome to BezReviews. If you are hunting for a serious desktop replacement, you have come to the right place. Check the link in the description for the best price. Today we are looking at the new HP Omen 16, a machine built specifically for high frame rate gaming and creative work. Let us dive into the core engine of this laptop to see how it. The Ryzen 9 processor is a powerhouse that handles intensive multitasking and gaming loads without breaking a sweat. You are getting incredible graphical performance thanks to the new RTX 5070 and its advanced Blackwell architecture. The Omen Tempest cooling system is highly effective at keeping those high-end components running cool during long sessions. The internal hardware configuration here is top tier and should provide excellent longevity for demanding titles. Beyond just raw speed, we need to consider how this laptop feels and functions. The 240Hz display is a major highlight, offering buttery smooth visuals that keep you ahead in fast-paced games. With a wide array of ports including HDMI 2. The weight is the main downside here, as the 5.4-pound frame makes it quite heavy for regular. While the physical design is solid and display quality is high, be prepared for a bulkier. Ultimately, the HP Omen 16 is a beast of a machine that justifies its presence on any desk. You are getting top-tier silicon that handles everything from AAA gaming to heavy multitasking with ease. While the price is steep and the footprint is heavy, the cooling performance and display quality are undeniable.